Creating a bot that differentiates by the ability of the student is very easy to achieve in Mindjoy. Your first step is creating a new tutor bot. And in your prompt, what you'll need to do is set it up first of all with a context so it supports learning in the classroom, and then start giving it information about how it's going to deal with different question types and different levels of understanding. We'll turn on Socratic mode and start a chat to see how that works. So if we start with a simple concept like factorization in mathematics and follow up with a student that isn't able to understand, you'll see that the quality of the answers gets progressively simpler and simpler. But I don't know about you, this seems like a lot of text for the level at which I want this bot to be working. So what I'm going to do is go into the prompt and change that. We'll tell it to never answer in more than 2 paragraphs and to start with a specific reading age, and also to reduce the amount of text given by the answer as it needs to simplify. When we go back in and replay that same conversation, asking about factorization, pretending not to know, so mimicking the behavior of a student, you'll see that not only is the answer getting simpler, but the amount of writing is reducing as well. These examples are now much easier for a student to come to grips with. Okay, how about students at the higher end that need to be pushed? Well, this prompt is just simply saying that if students are understanding it, we can ask similar but different questions that increase in complexity. In these conversations, the student is given more opportunity to stretch and be challenged by the questions the tutor bot is asking. If you're building a bot specifically for a series of lessons and you know what the next topic is, you can even instruct the bot to start telling the student about the next topic and asking questions about it. Finally, if you'd like a really robust, adaptable bot, try our Adaptability from the Community Tutors page. It's set up for maths, but you can change that quite easily by adjusting the word maths in the prompt to whatever you want it to be. And it's a very advanced version of what we've just been talking about, with the ability to make content simpler or more complex as it explains the subject. Why not give that a try? Creating tutor bots with differentiation ability is simply a fact of adding to your prompts in any of your bots. Why not go and create some and tell us what you do with them?